Hello student, welcome to online class. Myself Kuldeep Srivastava. Today I am going to start exercise 12.1 and in this class we will solve question number 1 of exercise 12.2 and question number 1 is a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. Then how much area does it occupies? Okay. Then when we are going to solve this question, first of all we will draw a quadrilateral ABCD and right angled at C. Okay. Then we will draw a quadrilateral okay. Okay, this one now we will draw quadrilateral A, B, C, D, right angled at point C. It means angle C is 90 degree. Okay, we have A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral in which angle C is 90 degree and some measurements are given. AB, length of AB is equal to 9 meter. It means AB is equal to 9 meter. BC is equal to 12 meter. BC is equal to 12 meter. CD is equal to 5 meter. CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. AD is equal to 8 meter. Then how much area does it occupy? It means ये जो पार्क है क्वाड्रिलेटरल शेप में ABCD के शेप में है, तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये जो पार्क है उसका एरिया क्या है. जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल शेप का जो पार्क है ABCD उसका एरिया क्या होगा. ओके, देन व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड area of ABCD, okay, and in quadrilateral ABCD angle C is right angle. It means angle C is 90 degree. Okay, and when we divide quadrilateral ABCD in triangle, then we draw a quadrilateral when we draw a diagonal AC or BD. Okay, but when we draw AC diagonal, then we take triangle ABC. There are only the length of AB and the length of BC are given, but AC is not given. Okay, that's why we draw a diagonal BD. We draw a diagonal BD. ओके, वी ड्रॉ अ डायगोनल BD. देन अगर हम BD डायगोनल ड्रॉ करते हैं और ये एंगल C क्या है, राइट एंगल है. इट मीन्स ये जो ट्रायंगल होगा ट्रायंगल BCD ये क्या होगा, राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. एंड हियर बेस इज गिवन, हाइट इज गिवन, देन वी कैन इजिली फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ BD. BD इज व्हाट, BD इज hypotenuse of triangle BCD. Okay, and then when we get length of BD, then we can easily find the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle CBD. So first of all we are going to find the length of BD, that is hypotenuse. Okay, then construction is where we join B to D, that is diagonal, and in triangle BCD apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is square is equal to base square plus height square. Okay, means perpendicular height means P square. Hypotenuse base is what? Base is 12 square and perpendicular height is 5 square. 12 square is square of 12 is 144 and square of 5 is 25. 144 plus 25 169. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to 169 and h is what? H is square root of 169, it means 13. Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is 13. It means hypotenuse is what? BD is, the length of BD is 13 centimeter. Okay, when and now we have the length of BD. Then suppose this one is first triangle, ABD is first triangle and BCD is second triangle. Okay, and when we are going to find area of first triangle and area of second triangle, and when we are going to find area of first triangle, then we see that there is no height is given. Okay, height is unknown. Okay, and the length of all sides are given. Then we can apply on first triangle for finding the area. Then we can apply the Heron's formula. And when we are going to find area of second triangle, then we see that angle C is right angle. It means height CD is what? CD is height of triangle BCD and BC is what? BC is base. Then we can apply here area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, because triangle BCD is our right angle triangle. Okay, therefore we will write area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, okay, when we add the area of first triangle and second triangle, then we get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, then area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay. Next, when we are going to find area of triangle ABD, this triangle. Okay, here we see that all sides are given, but there is no height. Then we can apply the Heron's formula for finding the area of this type of triangle here. Then area of triangle ABD is equal to, we can write as S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, plus area of triangle BCD. Triangle BCD is right angle triangle. Then area of, as we know that area of right angle triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Then we can write 1 upon 2 base means BC. Here we write formula base into height. Okay, next, S is what? S is the semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay, semi perimeter, it means we take triangle ABD, then perimeter is what? 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 30, 13, 17 3, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. It means perimeter is, when perimeter is 30, then semi perimeter is half of perimeter, it means 1 upon 2 into 30, it means 15. S is what? Here we can explain. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, and A is what? A is 13, B is 8 and C is 9 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Okay class? Then S means 15. 15 minus A. A is what? Front side of vertex A. It means 13. A is 13. B. Front side of vertex B is 8. Next 15 minus C. C means front side of, sorry, S minus C. S minus C, here we take triangle ABD. ABD. That's why here we can write D. And when we take triangle is ABC, then we can write S minus C. And here triangle ABD, then we will write S minus D. And D is what? Opposite front side of vertex D. D is 9 plus 1 upon 2 into base. Base is what? 12 centimeter into height. Height is what? 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we will calculate 15 multiplied by 15 minus 13, 2. 15 minus 8, 7. 15 minus 9, 6. Plus 1 upon 2 into 12, 6. 6 plus into 5, 30. It means 30 is what? 30 is the area of second triangle. Okay. And here 15 into 2 into 7 into 6. Okay. Here we can write 15 and 6 in the form of product of the factors. Then 15 is equal to, we can write 3 into 5. Then 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 plus 30. Okay. And here we start pairing of 3, pairing of 2. Okay. Then we write 3 multiplied by 2 under root 5 into 7, non-pairing numbers, 5 into 7 plus 30. Okay. Therefore 3 to the 6, 6 root over 5 into 7, 35 plus 30. Okay. 6 under root 35 is the area of first triangle and 30 is the area of second triangle. Okay. The sum of both the area of triangles are the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore we write 6 under root 35 plus 30. Okay. And here we see that 6 is the common factor of 6 root over 35 and 30. Okay. Here we will write 6 root over 35 plus 6 multiplied by 5. Then 6 is common, root over 35 plus 5. This is the area of centimeter, then meter square. It means the area of quadrilateral ABCD, okay, area of quadrilateral ABCD is 6 root over, okay, 6 root over 35 plus 5. Okay. Here this is our answer, but answer is in real answer, but this is what? This is not a real answer. This is, here we see that under root 35. Then first of all we will find the square root of 35. Okay. This is also answer. When we write this is one answer, then it is also correct. But our need is in approx value. Okay. Then we will find the square root of 35. Okay, square of 35, 35, 5 5 आप जा 25, 10 5 ऐड कर दिया 10 हो गई, 0 किया 0. ओके, 5 point something. Okay, and when we write square root of 35 is, okay class, then we will find the square root of 35. Okay, and square root of 35 is approx 5.91 plus 30. Okay, and here we will find the product of 6 and 5.91. then 6 1 ja 6, 6 9 ja 54, carry is 5, 6 5 ja 30, 30 plus 5 35, 35.46 plus 30. Okay, then we get 0.46, 30 plus 35 65, 65.46 meter square, and we write approx value 46 meter square. Okay, now we write rounding number. Okay, rounding number nearest to 10. Okay, and the procedure of rounding number nearest to 10, then first of all we see unit digit, it means ones digit of the given number, and when ones digit of the given number is less than 5, then ones digit becomes 0 and tens digit we write as it is, and when the ones digit is 5 or greater than 5, then ones digit becomes 0 but tens digit is increased by 1. And here we see that 6 is what? 6 is greater than 5, then 6 becomes 0 and tens digit is increased by 1, it means 4 plus 1 5.56 meter square. That means area of quadrilateral ABCD is 65.50 meter square, and according to question the area of park, therefore the area of park is 65.50 meter square. Here we will write area of park is equal to 65.50 meter square. Okay, is it clear class? Okay, thank you class.